Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the OffGridEnclave. It is a beautiful sunny winter day. The air is all clear as we had about minus 18 degrees Celsius last night. The winter this year came quite early and brought a lot of snow with it. Currently we have about half a meter, give or take. Of course the dogs all love it, are super happy and enjoy the time outside. For this time of the year, of course, my chicken bunker had some improvements done. But first we have to get there. The short path to the chicken house has been cleared and is a bit of a journey now in winter. As you can see here on the right, all my solar panels are clear of snow. I did start the day how most off-gridders start their day in winter, do a bit of CrossFit and clear the solar panels of snow. Usually that takes about 10 to 15 minutes, however with that half meter of snow happening, it took about 45 minutes this time. My chickens don't seem to be big fans of the snow. Even so they had clear access to the outside, they did not come out since it snowed. Seems they're pretty happy with the inside as well. The sun is up and shining quite nicely, so the gang is all collected here in the corner enjoying a sun bath. Inside adjustments I made for winter is first off to switch the plastic water buckets for a metal one. I was afraid that the plastic ones will get broken by the frost. The water in the steel bucket does freeze overnight. So what I do is, in the morning I'll bring about 4 liters of boiling hot water and dump it in there. During the day that is enough to keep it frost free. To stop the wind from blasting through the hen house, I closed all but one window with this sturdy and semi-transparent material. This also helps in stopping a bunch of the heat loss. For their sleeping compartment itself, I used styrofoam plates. On the front plate, that also functions as door, I used about 8 cm plates. On top of the hen house, I used 10 to 15 cm thick styrofoam plates. So far, I have to say, I am quite happy how the design functions overall. The chickens have plenty of ground space, and with my plate setup that utilizes the height a bit and provides different levels, they are quite happy on the inside. So far, since the snow came, they did not leave the hen house once. This is what the design philosophy of the chicken bunker was from the start. To provide enough inside space so in the face of bad weather or me being away for a weekend, they can be happy without being outside. I will try to get the camera up there so you guys can see how I put the isolation. These plates are not glued or screwed, they're only held in place by a heavy board placed on top. For the inside of the hen house I put about 8 centimeters of sawdust and rounded that up with about 5 centimeters of hay. The material left over when cleaning I use as fertilizer. I put that outside and composted for about 2 months. After that it is a very nice fertilizer add-on to enrich existing soil. While we're here, might as well do a quick checkup on the solar and see if the battery is happy. As I did put about 130 watt of solar panels for about 5 watt of charge, most of the times it's no problem. Only in the very bad days and phase of 2 weeks of absolutely no sun have I seen the battery be on low setting. Now that we've covered most of the inside of the chicken bunker, I will put on some music and leave you guys with some impressions of how my winter day went. Enjoy your day and make it count.